Yo, what's up everybody? So we finally hit 250 subs. So for those of you that have been keeping up with my channel, you guys know what that means. So if you guys are new, you know what that means. Start subscribing, hit the like button, hit that bell button, stay notified because Ochoa's Garage got more content dropping. For those of you that have been tuning into my channel and know what's up, you guys did know that at 250 subs, we are, and we will, and we are doing a giveaway. And since we finally hit those today, we're giving it away. Before we start and give away the item, I would like to say, are you guys loving the quality? Because I just got a new GoPro. It literally came in today and I'm using it to record this video. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this quality, and we'll keep using it because this is what I'm going to be using to record content from now on. So just let me know in the comments, good quality, yes or no. Now we can jump into the giveaway. And in order to start the giveaway, since a lot of you guys did comment, I think I got over like 20 or 25 comments on the video, which is good because I wanted a lot of you to participate. I still wanted a little bit more of you to participate, but that is fine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go on a YouTube app. It's not an app, it's a website. It's called raffle-com. You see how I have my YouTube URL in here? We're gonna use the YouTube URL. I'm gonna press pick random comment, and it's just gonna pick a random winner. So we're just gonna click this and we're gonna see who wins, and yeah, and that'll be it. I'm gonna keep the phone facing you guys so you guys don't think that I'm cheating or anything. So I'm just gonna ready, clicking it now. Ignore my Redfin apps. I'm looking at houses I want to move to, but we're about to see who wins. Maybe it'll work. It's kind of raining, so the signal's not the best out here. I wouldn't be surprised. Watch it just not want to work because I'm recording. That's usually how this stuff works. You see, it's really taking forever. Oh, never mind. So congratulations to Jordan Lucas. Jordan Lucas, if you're watching this, congratulations. You won the Cup Hero for the 10th Gen Civic. Yeah, your car is about to look great, man. They're blue. I'm sorry if you wanted another color. That's all I got. I got blue. But yeah, I will DM you so that we can keep talking, and you can tell me how you want the item to get shipped or whatever. But look out in your DMs as I will be messaging you. So for all of you other guys that didn't win, I'm sorry. It's all right. Don't worry. I do got other giveaways coming soon in the future. This is just a start. We finally hit 250 subs, and my goal for this year is to finally get my first 1,000 subs. So if you guys are new, like I said, please subscribe and click that bell button and stay tuned because we got more content coming, some banger content. Like, I do want to see if a 10th Gen Civic SI exhaust fits on the 10th Gen Civic Sport, but I can't do it without you guys' help. So please subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. And Jordan Lucas, congratulations. But that's all I have for you guys today. Ochoa out.